Hi, Bulk Upload is a feature that allows you to schedule and manage multiple social media posts in bulk. It is a convenient and time-saving tool for businesses and individuals. You can follow this step-by-step tutorial to schedule your post through Bulk Upload. Let's get started. As soon as you log into the platform, you will be directed to our main content dashboard. Select the Bulk Upload feature from the left panel. Here, you will find a detailed classification of CSV file. Classification helps you understand how to structure and organize your CSV file for successful bulk uploading. Click on Download CSV File Template to download the basic version. Fill in CSV. Accordingly, please make sure to follow the instructions available in the classification section. Don't delete and edit any row or column in CSV file, just leave the column empty if you don't want to fill it. Additionally, you have to add an absolute public URL for the images and videos in the CSV file. For absolute public links, you can try Azure, Google Cloud, and a double USS3 bucket. Once done, click Upload CSV file and select the file to upload it here. Next, you will be asked to select a profile on which you plan to schedule the bulk content. Further, Social Champ will finalize all your posts in the next step. If any post contains errors, it will be marked with 1. Error posts can be edited or deleted on the spot. All the posts showing the sign ready can be simply scheduled, edited, or deleted further. Once the file is all set to be uploaded, the bulk upload will show a sign of all done to confirm the bulk scheduling, which can be seen in Queue or Calendar. Great! Now you know how to schedule posts using the bulk upload features.